Greetings, this is Don Pryor on Short Sound Bites. We're today just looking at some companies on the NASDAQ, for example, and reviewing what the company does, what their market mission or statement is to the population, and giving people some ideas. We're not endorsing nor saying to short these stocks. We're just letting you know what's out there in the business world. So much we talk about politics, we don't talk about life in general. We talk about Donald Trump all day. Let's stop it. Let's quit talking about people who want to make $15 an hour flipping burgers. Is that really a big deal? I don't think so. But the company here is ContraVir Pharmaceutical Incorporated. It's on the NASDAQ as STRV is the ticker. And what does this company do? Well, they start out with a description. It's in the healthcare sector, the industry of biotherapeutics and drugs. ContraVir Pharmaceuticals Incorporated is a biopharmaceutical company. The company focuses on the development of antiviral drugs for the treatment of hepatitis B virus HBV infections. Makes me wonder how many people get HBV infections. There you go. That's your assignment for the day. Use the websites to find out that statistic, right? I'm just giving you some homework. Next up, the company develops a range of compounds to treat HBV infection, which includes, these are drug candidates, SMX157 and CRV431. The company is also developing an antiviral asset, FV100. I have no idea what that is. Must help with the antivirus administration of their drugs. Maybe it goes with these two drugs. I don't know. The company's CMX157 is a lipid acylic nucleoside phosphonate that delivers intracellular concentrations of active antiviral agent tenofovir diphosphate. In that regard to CMX157, the company has completed a phase 1 clinical trial of CMX157. We'll take a break in reading the description. We'll talk about where are these guys located. They're in Edison, New Jersey, right here in the United States. The net profit margin has not been good. They haven't reported anything. Return on average assets is negative 145%. Indeed, developing drugs is expensive. We're doing it through private companies here, public company, I should say, and it takes a lot of money. So right now, as we speak, it's about quarter before the hour, before 2 o'clock. Stocks trading at $1.61. With a volume of about 822,000 shares being traded. A few more hours to go. The beta 1.58, meaning it moves more rapidly, more volatile than the market, up or down, however you want to look at it. Really no assets but the technology that they have to offer. And so finally, ending this short soundbite segment, let me finish up. The company's also has CRV431 drug candidate, which is designed to target cyclophilins, which are a class of proteins, obviously, within this infected cell or what have you. CRV431 inhibits the role of host cyclophilins and interferes in the propagation of the virus. The company's FV100 is an orally available small molecule nucleoside analog prodrug of CF-1743, which is used for treatment of herpes zoster. Sexually transmitted disease, perhaps, if you're not born with it. If it has developed FV100 for the treatment of shingles, which is a byproduct of the herpes virus, which is sometimes not necessarily considered sexually transmitted. So these guys, a hepatitis B virus, and we see them working on fighting herpes zoster as well. Hepatitis B virus is effective for many in their liver. And so we see what this company is doing. We see that it is not very profitable. Therefore, I obviously cannot endorse the company nor say to short it. Again, this is short sound bites giving you a business description of the company ContraVir Pharmaceuticals, CTRV. I thank you for listening. You have a great day. Talent on loan from the mob. Don Pryor signing off. Bye-bye.